What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel and welcome to a SHEIN try-on haul. If you are new to my channel, I make so many videos about plus size fashion, lots of try-on hauls. I do lifestyle vlogs, some travel vlogs, and I even sprinkle in a little bit of mama content here and there. So if any of that sounds of interest to you, definitely don't forget to subscribe. I also have an Instagram, so if you would like to follow me there as well, I will have that linked below. So like I said, this is a SHEIN try-on haul. I have two goals for this haul. The first being to find work shirts. I need stuff I can wear to work so badly, you guys. Like, it is almost embarrassing. I just wear the same stuff over and over and I'm so sick of it. So first goal is to find shirts I can wear to work. Second goal is to find a dress I can wear to a wedding that I actually have tomorrow. So yeah, I figured, you know, summer wedding, like I can wear a nice like floral, like not a summer dress, but like a dress you would wear to a wedding in the summer. But then I read the invite and it said it's more like somewhat like formal attire, so I had to scratch that plan and hope and pray that something from SHEIN worked, which it did. So I had those two goals and let me tell you, knocked them both out of the park. So I'm really excited to show you guys what I got. They did give me a coupon code for you guys that will save you 15% off of your entire order. It is code S15Nicole. They like really switched that code up on me because it used to be something different, but S15Nicole, and it'll save you guys 15% off on the SHEIN website, I believe, like in all categories. So women's, kids, men's, homeware, all of that. All right, I think I have talked enough. Oh wait, no, I have not talked enough. I forgot to tell you guys, if you plan on ordering from SHEIN, take your measurements. Bust, waist, hips. Order based off of your measurements, not off of size. Like if you're normally a 1X, you might not be a 1X in SHEIN clothes. You might be a 1X in a certain top and like a 4X in another top. So don't go based off of size, just order based off of measurements and it will not fail you. That's typically how I order and everything just seems to work out for me. I think that is all. Pretty sure, yes. Let's go ahead and get into this video. We're gonna start with the work shirts and then move on to the dresses. So the first work shirt I found is this one here. It is such a pretty color. It's like a muted like green. So pretty. Love the like ruffly sleeves. I love the fit of this. This is going to look so cute. It is not made of a stretchy material and I picked this up in a 4X. I love this top. I have a feeling I'm gonna wear this Monday because it's just so comfortable and so cute. And yeah, I love it a lot. This next top is a little bit more wild and has like the weirdest cut ever. Like look how wild that is. It's kind of like paisley-esque. And it has the strangest cut to it. Like the sleeves are look how big. They're huge and they kind of hit lower like towards your elbow. But I kind of like it. It's just like a flowier top. It has a tie here at the chest or the neck, and it's just different. I've never seen a top cut like this before. This material is definitely not stretchy, I will tell you that. And what size did I get it in? I should have looked at this first. I got this in a 4X. This next top, the print of it is not my favorite, I'm gonna be honest with you. But it's this purple and black top, not stretchy whatsoever. It would still look nice, I feel like, for work. It has a really high neckline and in the back it buttons and it has this really pretty like pearl and gold button. I don't know, I feel like the purple's just kind of like Barney purple a little bit, and I don't know, it's not my favorite print and it's not my favorite color combo, but the top is still cute and I think in a pinch I still might wear it to work. The sleeves are interesting. They kind of have this like crossover effect that makes it look a little like puffy. And I mean, overall I thought the fit of the top was great, and like I said, I still might wear it to work. Not stretchy at all, and got it in a 4X. This next one I love. The cut of this top is everything to me. It is like this deep red color. It has this V like triangle cutout at the chest. I love the flowier sleeves, and overall I just think the fit of this top is so pretty. And I picked this one up in a 3X actually. So thought the fit was great. So this next one is kind of funny. A coworker texted me a couple Wednesdays ago and was like, wear something pink, because on Wednesdays we wear pink. And I looked through my whole closet, not one thing was pink. I own nothing pink. So that was like my goal when shopping on SHEIN. I guess that's goal number 3, was to find something pink. I found this top and it ties up here at the chest. It's super ruffly and it has this fun like texture to it. Let me see if I can get you guys to see that. It is a hot pink, like so bright, and I love it. It is so nice. I love the fit of it. I already actually wore this to work last Wednesday and it was a hit, let me tell you. I just love the color of it, like how bright it is. So fun. I got so many compliments on it, and my girl was also wearing pink that day. I didn't even tell her. I was like, last Wednesday she said on Wednesdays we wear pink. I'm gonna surprise her this Wednesday, and she came through for me. But yeah, it was just so pretty to wear. I love it. Okay, this one I picked up in a 4X and it is not made of a stretchy material. All right, the next top is a shiny one, let me tell you. Ooh, it's like this satin material. Now mind you, I did not like air fluff it at all or steam it, so there are wrinkles, so let's just pretend the wrinkles are not there. But it's this really pretty gold zebra stripe top. It's like a very subtle zebra stripe. This shirt, listen, I think I could be seen from space, I'm gonna be honest with you, but it's just so cute. It has like a slight puff at the sleeve, like oh so slight, but it's just so cute. It just adds like a little something something. I picked this one up in a 4X and it is not made of a stretchy material. Next up, I got these adorable chunky heels, and they're more like of a casual chunky heel, but they are so cute. I got them in this nude color and it kind of almost looks like, can you guys see that? It kind of almost looks like a knitted look. I have very, cannot stress it enough, very wide feet, and these worked out well for me. It says size 42, which I think is a 10. I'm usually a 10. So I just love, literally love. I'm gonna be honest, I did not try them on for you guys because I need a pedicure so badly, and I just don't want to put you guys through that. But very cute. I've had actually some chunky heels from SHEIN before, and they like oddly work so well and are so comfortable. So I'm happy I got these. Okay, we're moving on to dresses. All 3 of the dresses that I got fit really well and were actually really cute, but ultimately these first 2 were slightly too casual, and then the last one I decided to go with. So the first one, and this one is so loud for some reason, like the liner is really loud. It's not uncomfortable on the skin. It's not like an uncomfortable material. I don't honestly know why it's so loud, but it is just this V-neck black dress. It cinches in under the boobs with some elastic, and it is double lined, and it has a slit over my left leg. It's really pretty. I just thought it was slightly casual. Like I tried it on for Carlos and he said, it looks like you're just wearing like a plain black V-neck top. So I was like, maybe I won't go with this one. But I picked it up in a 4X. It fit perfectly and it is so cute. I'm definitely gonna find like somewhere else to wear this. Even like a date night or like a night out would be adorable. Okay, this next one is so cute. I love the color of it. I love the cut of it. I love everything about it. I think the material is just slightly more, and honestly, I don't know. It's kind of casual looking. It's more casual than I want to look. So this is the dress. It is this beautiful green color with these really fluffy, floofy sleeves. And it has just these panels going all the way down. It's a longer dress. So pretty. Fit me so well, and I'm honestly super excited to wear this. I might wear this one day, even like wine tasting or something like that. I got it in a 4X and I thought the fit was perfect. All right, last one. This is the dress that I decided to go with. I'm hoping if I have time tomorrow, I want to film like a get ready with me makeup, hair, and then outfit and show you guys like the completed look. I'm hoping I have time. I don't know. It's tough to get ready with a little one, but that's the goal. The goal is to film a get ready with me for tomorrow. So this is the dress. It is a v-neck in both the front and the back. There is a zipper going up the back. I was gonna flip it, but you're not gonna be able to see it. It does have see-through flowy sleeves, and it is a longer dress, and it has, you can't really see, but these really delicate like ruffles kind of going down at an angle in the front. So pretty, you guys. It was definitely the most formal dress out of the three, and the fit was absolutely perfect. Now this dress is not stretchy. I got it in a 4X, and I'm obsessed. I cannot wait for the wedding tomorrow. So that was everything that I got from Shein. I hope you guys enjoyed this haul. I know it's been a while since I've done a Shein haul, but listen, here we are. Here we are. Don't forget to subscribe before you go. Follow me on Instagram, and don't forget, if you guys order from Shein, use that discount code to save you guys some coin, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.